Preston here from Creative Arms, and today we're introducing one of our newest products, the FU Muzzle Device. It's a pretty cool little product. It's basically a 3-prong muzzle device that utilizes a Plan B style thread adapter and taper lock system. So it's able to be used on Q style suppressors as well as a Plan B adapter. So now let's take a look at how we're going to install it on the rifle. So first thing we want to do is just double check that your threads are clean. I had a little bit of prior rock set and just carbon buildup from shooting, so I went ahead and cleaned this up. So basically the threads are gonna go right on. It's really fast and simple. If you're going to be using this as a suppressor attachment, what I'm gonna recommend is using rock set. So rock set is an engineering based glue. And what it's really good at is being very durable under high heat environments. So we use this in the suppressor industry quite often for setting muzzle devices, and I highly recommend that. We'll drop a link in the video description to get a bottle of this. And again, it's something handy just to have on your gun bench. So from there, we'll just put a couple drops on, like so. You do not need to shim this muzzle device at all. So we just use an 18mm wrench. It goes around the 3-prong, and then it's just a simple, give it a good torque. 35 to 40 pounds of torque is needed, and then you're gonna let that rock set sit overnight. So from that here, you can basically go ahead and start shooting. The suppressor will just thread right on, and then it's just gonna be a taper lock system. So you'll basically thread it on and feel it tighten up and give it a good little twist, and that's basically it. So for you guys that are gonna be putting this muzzle device on a 9mm, we will be offering a 1/2x36 option here coming at the beginning of the year. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and we'll be sure to answer them.